Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of claimstimulus.com. So claimstimulus.com is basically an online platform that will provide you with the funds in the stimulus reliefs if you're eligible. And these funds can be up to $5,000. And the process is very simple. You just need to simply check your eligibility criteria quickly through their platform, and then you need to provide them with the accurate information, and once your eligibility is checked, you can even track your payment. You can verify your information, track the payment, and then in the end you can receive the funds in the fourth step. Sounds pretty simple, right? But let's find out what's actually behind those fancy promises. As you can see, like their domain name, once I try to search for it, I just got to know that it was registered recently, so which raises concerns about their transparency. And apart from that, this platform, they have claimed that it is actually linked with official government cares platform of the US government. But once I tried to search for it, I didn't find even a single evidence about that. So that is also a major red flag. So now if we look at the reviews of stimclaim.com on the Scam Advisor website, it has a trust score of 55 out of 100, which is actually slightly poor score. And this was actually based on the 40 plus data point on which it creates a trust score. So in conclusion, I would say you should not share your personal information with this website before without checking with any of the registered company. So I hope this review was helpful for you. If you guys want me to review any other platform, just do let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.